2024, 2025 Nissan Rogues making a ticking noise whenever you're switching from high to low or just changing the temperatures. This is a normal operation compared with other 24 and other 25s. The only ones that are not doing this are the 23 and under. These are completely new and different. So let's see if you guys can hear this little tick sound. Very faint. Hopefully you guys were able to pick that up. Let's go again. Here we go. Very faint, like I said. Hopefully you guys can hear that, but that's normal, unfortunately. Let's go again. Oh my god, hopefully you guys were able to pick that up. But normal,